Ready to make your chess game smarter? Now, we're back with Chestnut Evo, a human-like AI-powered chessboard. Chestnut Evo challenges players with a built-in human-like neural network chess engine called Maia Chess, which is designed by Microsoft. Of course, it's also equipped with Chestnut's robust piece recognition technology, with each piece having a built-in chip that enables it to be recognized, allowing you to better enhance your chess skills through Evo. And what's even more interesting is that you can import historical chess game records of famous chess players. Chestnut Evo can quickly train AIs that match the chess style and skill level of these players, making them your training partners. Besides that, Chestnut Evo has a training mode for beginners. They can continuously improve their skills by playing against AIs of different difficulty levels through various exciting challenge modes. The real-time analysis chart on the board and multicolored LEDs guide and assist them in their game training and analysis. This personalized training method will provide you with practical and effective ways to enhance your game. If you're going to compete, this feature is perfect for use in advance. Practice a lot and win the game. Chestnut Evo will also have an open software ecosystem. You can download your favorite apps from the built-in marketplace or develop your own platform where you can download the latest and most exciting chess engines. Chestnut Evo's built-in NPU will make it possible to play on all online platforms using an e-board through image recognition technology. This is Chessboard.